Hello there. Welcome to Laser Focus Solutions Media. Chris Godwin, your host on July 4th, Independence Day. And I thought it'd be fun to give three facts about the 4th of July. And the first fact is that the Declaration of Independence was not actually signed on the 4th. While the Declaration of Independence is dated July 4th, 1776, the Continental Congress officially voted the independence on July 2nd, 1776. The document was formally adopted on the 4th, but most delegates didn't sign it until August 2nd, 1776. John Adams even predicted that July 2nd would be celebrated as Independence Day, but it's July 4th that became the iconic date. So that's number one. Number two, the Liberty Bell rings 13 times on July 4th. So every 4th of July, the Liberty Bell in Philadelphia is tapped, not actually rung, 13 times in honor of the original 13 American colonies. This tradition is a tribute to the nation's founding and the struggle for independence. And number three presidents died on the 4th of July. Strangely, three U.S. presidents have died. That's right, on July 4th. Thomas Jefferson and John Adams both passed away on the 4th of July. The 50th anniversary of the Declaration of Independence. James Monroe died on July 4th, 1831. And that, folks, are the three facts about the 4th of July. So with that, just want to say, hope you all had a safe and happy, phenomenal day with family and loved ones. Where I live in Middletown, Delaware here, it was a little bit on the muggy side, hot side, but we made the best of it. Had neighbors come over, friends, family, likes of kind, all came over just for fellowship. I'm very blessed to have those people in my life. We did do a little bit of work this morning. Wouldn't be a day without us tapping into something. So we did do a little bit of work. But we're gonna get back at it tomorrow. So tomorrow we got 4 jobs planned. We're gonna be patching a roof leak that was actually something that we did, and that's something that we need to make up for. And again, just when you're out there doing anything, in this case, the valve for the toilet was not completely off when we were replacing the floor. We pulled the toilet off, and we stuck the drain hose in the sewer pipe, and unfortunately it kind of bent back out, put water on the subfloor, which then dripped down on the drywall above, which is on the first floor ceiling. So to make right on this, we have to now return and we have to patch that and replace it and make it right. So it's a lesson learned. We take our lumps, so we're not perfect, but we will make it right for our customer. We're going to move forward from that. After that, we're going to go install 2 grab bars in showers. We're also going to do some caulking around a tub. And I feel like the third job is going to be assembling an exercise bike in the same community as the grab bars, conveniently. And then the last job we're going to go is to paint a door on the exterior that we caulked previously for potential leak. So that's going to be our wrap up for the week. Tomorrow is Friday. Weirdly enough, July 4th is on a Thursday. So even though it feels like a Saturday, it is not. Sorry for all you folks out there that drink alcohol and decided to indulge and have to get up tomorrow morning and go to work. Year and a half almost of being alcohol free. Never really drank and consumed a whole lot, but certainly on days like today, I did my fair share. But I certainly feel much more alive and energetic and just well all the way around, not consuming alcohol. So very blessed to have the people in my life and the folks around me that just we all it's people, places, and things, they say. So the folks I hang out with don't. I mean, that's fine. It's your choice, I guess. But for me, it's where I'm at. I'm all about focusing on growth in this laser focused solutions business, and I need to be sharp, crisp at all times. So super excited. Next week, we're going to be tapping into a customer move out. So we got a 2-day job, patching some holes, painting, doing some touch ups all around the house so we can get the client to go to settlement on Wednesday. And then we got a job scheduled Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. patch and paint on a master bedroom and down in a house on the water. So we're booked out for the next 5 weeks. Got some good things coming. Truck's back on the roads, running phenomenal. All in all, things are good. So life is good. Surround yourself by good people, positive thoughts, manifest the crap out of success, and go get it. That's all I got. Peace. Have a good one.